What is this 1099 OID? Understanding the 1099 OID and prepaid accounts. Throughout your lifetime, it is likely that you have not had the Secretary of the Treasury or IRS discharging your debts or adjusting your accounts as outlined in House Joint Resolution, HJR, 192. Instead, like most individuals, you have been paying your bills with Federal Reserve notes, currency that represents your labor and equity. Unbeknownst to most, a prepaid account has been available all along, yet remains unused due to a lack of knowledge. The financial system, as structured, has led individuals to cover expenses that should have been paid by the corporate entity operating under the United States government. To reclaim what is rightfully yours, a Form 1099 OID, original issue discount, acts as an expense report, which allows individuals to seek reimbursement for funds that were improperly extracted from their labor. The concept of original issue discount, OID. The 1099 OID is a tax form designed to track original issue discounts, the difference between the issue price of an instrument and its redemption price. This concept directly applies to labor, as all human labor is an original issuance stemming from natural persons. Since labor originates from human effort, it follows that its value must ultimately return to its source, the individual. This economic principle justifies the necessity of filing a 1099 OID, as it serves as a formal demand for proper financial accounting and reimbursement. The birth certificate and financial contracts. Upon birth, an individual's application for live birth certificate becomes a legally binding contract. This document effectively transforms into a pledged security instrument, which is then leveraged by the government and banking institutions to access financial resources. By filing a UCC-1 Financing Statement with the Secretary of State, individuals can reclaim their birth certificate as personal property. By submitting a Form SS-5, application for Social Security benefits, individuals unknowingly authorize access to their prepaid accounts. The Form SS-521, withdrawal of Social Security benefits, serves as a method for rescinding this contract and regaining control. By leveraging legal financial instruments, individuals can take the necessary steps to correct past contractual agreements and secure their rightful financial resources. The IRS as a financial resource. Contrary to popular belief, the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, functions as the accounting and collection division of the International Monetary Fund, IMF. It operates as the enforcement arm overseeing the bankruptcy of the United States government. The Secretary of the Treasury acts as both the payroll clerk and receiver in this bankruptcy. With the appropriate documentation and legal filings, individuals can request the IRS to adjust accounts and facilitate debt discharge. The prepaid account system allows individuals to settle expenses such as taxes, loans, and bills. By understanding the role of the IRS, individuals can utilize this financial system to their advantage instead of being exploited by it. Utilizing the 1099 OID for financial redemption. How to reclaim financial control. 1. Obtain a certified copy of the birth certificate from the Vital Records Office in your state. 2. Accept the birth certificate for value, acknowledging it as a financial instrument. 3. Create a bond, which acts as an insurance guarantee against financial harm. 4. File a UCC-1 Financing Statement to establish legal claim over your birth certificate. 5. Submit a 1099 OID expense report to request reimbursement for improperly paid expenses. These steps are part of a structured legal process that enables individuals to access their prepaid accounts and correct their financial standing. The creation of the Social Security Trust Account. The Social Security system is structured as a Sestuike trust, a legal arrangement where an individual is designated as the beneficiary, while the government holds legal title to the trust assets. The SS-5 application for Social Security benefits acts as a power of attorney, granting the government financial control over an individual's prepaid account. The Social Security number, SSN, serves as evidence of an active insurance policy, authorizing financial transactions under government control. The government utilizes this structure to access funds and manage assets for taxation and debt collection. Through legal and financial awareness, individuals can challenge the structure of involuntary servitude and reclaim their rightful economic sovereignty. The birth certificate is a negotiable instrument. Understanding the financial structure. 1. At birth, individuals are issued a certificate that serves as a negotiable instrument. 2. This document is pledged as security for government borrowing. 3. Banks engage in fractional lending, using birth certificates as collateral. 4. Individuals are unknowingly subjected to contractual financial obligations. 5. By reclaiming the birth certificate, individuals can correct their financial status. The filing of a UCC-1 financing statement provides the legal means to assert control over this financial instrument, just as banks file liens on property to establish ownership. Conclusion: reclaiming financial sovereignty. By understanding the financial mechanisms behind birth certificates, Social Security accounts, and the 1099 OID, individuals can navigate the legal landscape and assert their economic independence. The United States operates as a corporate financial entity, and legal financial filings provide a means to recover what has been withheld. Key takeaways: the birth certificate is a financial instrument pledged as security. The IRS and Secretary of the Treasury manage financial accounts on behalf of the government. The 1099 OID form serves as an expense report to reclaim funds. The UCC-1 Financing Statement legally asserts ownership over financial assets. By leveraging this knowledge, individuals can take the necessary steps to reclaim their financial rights and secure economic sovereignty.